Mastering the art of negotiation. Understanding wheel and deal. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's all about negotiation and savvy business tactics. Wheel and deal. Whether you're a language learner or simply curious about English idioms, this video is for you. So, let's explore the meaning, usage, and history behind this intriguing expression. Wheel and deal refers to the art of negotiating aggressively and shrewdly in business or politics. It involves a lot of bargaining, making deals, and sometimes maneuvering around rules to achieve one's goals. Think of it as playing a sophisticated game where strategy, negotiation skills, and sometimes a bit of cunning are key. It's not just about making transactions. It's about doing so with skill, flair, and a strategic mindset. The phrase, wheel and deal, is believed to have originated in the mid-20th century, capturing the dynamism of business and political environments. Wheel here implies movement and action, while deal refers to conducting business. Together, they create an image of someone who is always moving, always strategizing, and always looking for the next big opportunity. Understanding how to use wheel and deal correctly can add a layer of sophistication to your English. Here are a few examples. In the corporate world, you often have to wheel and deal to climb the career ladder. She's known for her ability to wheel and deal in the real estate market, always finding the best deals. Politicians sometimes have to wheel and deal behind the scenes to get their policies implemented. Using it in conversations or writing shows an understanding of not just language, but also the nuances of negotiation and strategy. This phrase is often used in movies, literature, and media to describe characters with a knack for negotiation and strategy. It's associated with a certain savvy and street smarts, embodying a person who knows how to navigate complex situations to their advantage. Understanding phrases like wheel and deal enriches your language learning journey, offering insights into not just vocabulary but also cultural contexts. We hope this video has shed light on this dynamic expression and its place in English. Keep wheeling and dealing in your studies, and you'll find your fluency and comprehension growing by leaps and bounds. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember, mastering a language is not just about memorizing words and grammar. It's also about understanding the culture and expressions that bring it to life.